To sell your crypto right now is not an option. This is what we talked about in my last YouTube video. But what should you do now? Is there still opportunities out there? Should you simply hold your portfolio or should you DCA your coins? In today's video, I will tell you about our game plan and what is the chances that are still out there waiting for you to catch them. So let's not lose time and dive right into it. If you want to be successful, you have to go a different path than anybody out there. I know it is difficult, I know it is hard, but this is exactly why only 0.1% or 1% of the people out there are successful. You have to make different decisions than the whole mass. You have to act anti-cyclic because no, crypto is not over, and no, it is not over again, and it is not over right now. We will see again new all-time highs ahead of us. I know it is hard, many give up, but meanwhile, macro continues to provide a path to new all-time highs for us. And I know everybody's screaming out there, it's a bear market, but this is exactly what bull markets do. They flush weekends, wipe billions in longs and reset leverage. And then the next leg up catches everyone off guard. It is always the same. So please don't fall for that bear trap, because the capitulation we are seeing right now is not the end. It's just the emotional reset before the final act. And our price targets for all of the coins out there are still intact. So if you build your portfolio exactly like I built my portfolio, you should be fine. You should have a stable inflow from your stable coins you're using in DeFi. You should have a solid backing with Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it really doesn't matter what's happening up there, because we still have just a small allocation up here in high potential coins, and what's happening in trending coins doesn't matter. If we win, we win. If not, we have some nice inflows from here down there. But I'd say let's look exactly what is happening right now with Bitcoin, Ethereum and our altcoins. When we're looking at the top 100 Bitcoin treasury companies, not a single one is selling. They are still accumulating, so why are you bearish? Shrimps are bearish. Shrimps, this is what retail investors are called, are selling their coins to the whales. I'm not giving up my Bitcoin. My Bitcoin are holy, so why should I give my Bitcoin to some whales? There only will ever be 21 million coins. And when we see what is happening at the crypto exchanges, there is outflows at the moment. Outflows. Do you know the difference between outflows and inflows? If we're bullish, everybody withdraws their coins, everybody puts their coins on hardware wallets and wants to self-store them. And if they're bearish, they transfer their coin to centralized exchanges, and then we would have seen inflows. So clearly not a sign of a bearish momentum. Also, the Bitcoin dominance is rising, which is very, very good, because from here we will make new all-time highs in price, in dominance, and soon the money can flow again into Ethereum, large caps, mid caps, low caps, micro caps, meme coins. The money flow is still intact. So yeah, Ethereum will also make new all-time highs, and so will our altcoins. If you have invested into solid projects we are talking right now about. Same thing with Ethereum. We can clearly see here the strategic ETH reserve companies are still accumulating ETH. Not a single one of those big players is selling their ETH. And this is exactly like with our altcoins. When we look, for example, at Chainlink is having their SmartCon, which is one of the biggest conferences overall. And look who's all here. We have Swift, Euroclear, Spacetime, Lidar, Google, Aave, Broadridge, Fidelity, Amazon, and all of the other big financial players. So the whole A-team of the financial sector is here. And only last week, Chainlink made 62 integrations. This is more than XRP has done in their entire lifetime. So this is why I'm telling you always, Chainlink is the real OG here. Chainlink is doing the job XRP is always telling you about. And when we look at the Chainlink founder, just listen to him. He's also talking about other projects in our portfolio.
But in my view, Ondo and teams like Ondo are really the future of our industry.
Ondo is the future of our industry. And this is what I'm thinking also. And this is why Ondo will become one of the most successful projects in crypto. Because they will change everything as we know it. They will change the whole financial industry because they will bring every bond, every stock on the blockchain. We can see TVL is already rising, but we have to wait until we get our go from the government, so that we will soon see every bond, every stock on blockchain. But the IMF is already promoting it, so it is only a matter of time until we get our final go. Also with Hyperliquid, there is huge catalysts, and Hyperliquid ETF, a Coinbase listing, DAT is deploying $300 million in dollars, a new point season, record numbers in revenue, ecosystem expansion, EVM airdrops, retail inflow in Robinhood. They got a Robinhood listing, but they also got an OKX listing. So yeah, everything is set. So whales are definitely eyeing Hyperliquid. We can see when we're looking at the on-chain data that we see rising whale activity, spot and future, signaling they have a huge conviction for Hyperliquid's token. Also, Tau is showing very strong price movements, and this even before we have our first Tau halving. The first Tau halving is happening very soon, and then we will get fully bull mode. So I think the Tau halving is another bullish catalyst we will see very soon happening. So kind of every project we're looking at has positive momentum. Sui also hit a new all-time high in monthly stablecoin transfer volume. So yeah, DeFi is coming to Sui, and so the price will also move up very soon. Casper continues to grow also, even if we are not seeing it in price yet. There is now more than 50,000 addresses. It is only a matter of time until people realize how strong those projects really are. Then we have Render. What Ondo is for real world assets, Render is for DePIN. And Render has the best collaborations with the biggest tech giants. We have here Apple, Google, HBO, Netflix, Windows. We have Nvidia, Adobe, Disney. So yeah, if those projects are collaborating with Render, they know exactly what they're doing. So they are not investing into some BS projects. They are investing into projects they made their due diligence and they have a high conviction in. So they definitely know what they're doing and are investing into the smart projects. So if you're holding those altcoins, I would definitely keep on holding and DCA if it is possible to bring your entry price further down. And if you want to invest into new projects, I would rather go for the new projects because they are not launched yet, but they will still launch in this year and you can benefit big time. Flying Tulip, for example, will be one of the best plays you can make. They are launching their pre-sale where everybody can participate long before the coin is launched on centralized exchanges. So it is a no-brainer to participate because they will launch it with a put option. With this put option, you have no risk either. The coin goes up in price or you withdraw your money. This would be my number one pick when we're looking at new coins, but there's other coins out there like Lighter. They will launch their coin in this year. You can still collect points by using the Lighter platform. Every week you collect points which you can change then when the token is launching into their coin. And the same thing exactly is happening at Paradex. I will link you both down in the description. So yeah, definitely use the project. Definitely make sure to be active here so you can benefit and exchange the XP or points you are collecting here for their tokens when they are finally launching their token, because the market is more bullish than ever. Donald Trump is more bullish than ever. He only cares about one thing: will we be number one in crypto? And if the United States will become the number one in crypto, I think we don't have to worry about anything. Let's hear what Donald Trump is saying.
I only care about one thing: will we be number one in crypto?
This is music to my ears, and hopefully this is gains to my portfolio. We will see very soon. Also, the Futures and Trading Commissions has clearly one mission in the United States. Their top priority is to make the United States the crypto capital of the world. And also the Standard Chartered CEO the CEO of one of the biggest banks, said almost all global transactions will eventually run on the blockchain, and this should be no disadvantage for us. And also the timeline is very, very matching. We should get the crypto bill before Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving is at the end of November, if you not know. So we will finally get our crypto bill, and then we will get the end of quantitative tightening on the 1st of December. And then we will get our next rate cut on the 10th of September. So in my opinion, the roadmap for new liquidity is ahead of us. Nobody has to be bearish, just be here, just be active, use the chances. At the moment, there is more chances than ever, so take it. And there is still a sale going on, there is still cheap prices, so use it. Use it to your advantage. And if you have any questions, just let me know down in the comments. I'm always very, very happy to help. Thank you for watching, guys. Please smash the follow button, smash the like button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you soon.